If you have not already completed your lab part A, please make note of this. So there is a big yellow bar to draw your attention to the 6E. Remember, all of these questions are linked to your textbook, so you'll have to open your textbook. So if I go to part E, it looks like it's blank, but all I did was whited out the text. So you're just going to change your text color to black, and then you will see that there is information there. So again, you'll need to do a formula. So I'm going to do a mass divided by volume. I want to use the mass of just the water. I don't want the mass of the graduated cylinder, and then I'm going to divide it by the volume of the water. Okay. Again, remember, all you have to do is drag down to get the rest of that to complete. So for the first one, it should be 2 sig figs, but for the last 3, remember to update and give 3 sig figs by changing that. Okay, so just a quick update for that.